Question 6. Nets. A net is a two-dimensional shape that can be folded to form a three-dimensional object. For 2, which 3D object can be made with each of the following nets? If we look at A, we have 6 identical squares. Now this square at the bottom forms the base of our cube. Then we have 4 squares that wrap up that form the sides of our cube. And then this square there is folded to the top and it forms the top of our cube. So this is the net of a cube. Press pause to complete 2 by yourself. Now that you have done 2, let's look at the answers. B is the net of a rectangular prism. This rectangle forms the base. Then these smaller rectangles fold up to form the faces along the side, and then this rectangle folds over to form the top of the prism. It is a rectangular prism. You must write the full word. For C, we have 2 circles with a rectangle in the middle that is wrapped around. This is the net for a cylinder. Lastly, for D, we have a square at the bottom and then 4 triangles that are turned upwards and meet at a point. This is therefore our square-based pyramid. Let me write it here. Square-based pyramid. Let's now look at 2. It says, draw a net for each of the following 3D objects. Press pause to do so using question 1 to help you. Now that you've done question 2, let me draw the answers for you. A cube, I'm going to draw the simplest net. We have a square in the middle, then 4 squares wrapped around that fold up, and then the top of the square can be drawn anywhere. I'm going to draw it there. There's our net, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 identical squares. Our cylinder, we have a rectangle, and then 2 circles that are joined. Sorry, they must touch. And that is our cylinder. 2 circles and 1 rectangle. Our square-based pyramid, we have 1 square in the middle with 4 triangles that fold up. 1 square and 4 triangles to make 5 faces in total.